Hi guys, my name is Faye and welcome to part 1 of 3 from the Avarese Kitchen Valentine's Day series. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to lay out your tablescape and set up that really beautiful, sensual, romantic mood atmosphere, all within the comfort of your own home and on a very low budget. Let's get started. So to start with, I'll be using these Love Heart placemats. I got these from Tesco. I think they were about £2 or £2.50 each. And lay down my plate chargers. And then I'm going to go ahead and put down this mirrored centerpiece. Put my fish bowl right there in the middle. And pour some water in there. I have these white roses that I'm just gonna pop in there. And these glittery red roses. Floating candles, and just pop those in there. Next I have these really beautiful champagne coupes. Right guys, so that's the table setting done. Next I'm going to show you how I set up the bedroom and all the other little final touches that I do around the house, as well as how I get myself ready in an hour leading up to my partner getting home. So let's get cracking. Right guys, so in my bedroom I have these pink and red rose petals. I just spread those all over the bed. And usually I'll just take whatever I'm wearing on the night and just lay it out nicely, you know. So usually about an hour before my partner gets home, I will run myself a nice warm bath, and I love to use my Radox bath salts. I would suggest using your favorite candles. I've got some of my favorite candles over here. I'm gonna go ahead and light those up. I like to take some rose petals and just pop those into my bath tube. Right, so on my TV, I'll usually use one of these screensavers. You can get them on YouTube. They have quite a few options on there that you can pick. My favorite one is this fireplace. It just gives that really warm, you know, sensual, intimate vibe in the house. And then after that, I'll go ahead and light all my candles and I am ready for my date night.